If you've ever watched Modern Family, you probably know this character, Gloria. She comes from Colombia, and sometimes she has trouble making herself understood when she speaks English because of some pronunciation issues that she hasn't acquired properly, as in the following case.
Look!
At what?
What do you mean at what? I said look.
I am looking.
I know you are. Stay on the beams.
Ow!
Look, where are you going?
To open more boxes. Oh, you said look where you're going, didn't you?
Yes.
Every time you say Luke, I think you're saying look.
I don't hear the difference.
It's not that hard. Juan is my name.
Juan is not your name. Stop kidding around and look. I get it. Luke sounds like Luke.
Yes.
Poor Luke, he wasn't looking where he was going. But what is the difference between Luke and look? Let's have a look. So, let's start with what happens in Spanish. The U vowel, as in tú, is very back. That means that the back of our tongue approaches the back of our palate, what's called the soft palate or velum. And we say tú, u. Now, the U vowel in Luke is not as back. It's actually a bit more front than that. So the way that I normally practice this with my students is by going from a back position as in U and then going towards a front position as in I, as in C. Let's try that. Let's go from an U towards an I. Uy. And now let's go back. Ew. Right. And now let's try and stop halfway, as in the following. Ooh, Luke. Yeah, so it's not Luke, it's not leak, but Luke. Do you see? The sound in look is different. It sounds a bit like a mixture between U as in tú and O as in no. So it's somewhere in the middle between U and O. It's not Luke, but look. Look. And it's very short. It's actually shorter than the previous one, yeah? So notice the difference between Luke and look. Luke, look. Let's practice this difference in the following minimal pair sentences. The novel was called Luke. The novel was called Look. Luke, it's nice. Look, it's nice. Very good.